Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pair the GoPro Fluid Pro AI with an Android or iOS. So if you want to pair your phone with your gimbal right here, the process is pretty much similar on either Android or iOS. So the first thing that we're going to do is download the GoPro Fluid app and then open it up. As you can see, I'm in it right now. And then we're going to take our gimbal and turn it on. If this is your first time turning it on, it should just be a pairing screen, but I have turned it on prior, so right now it's not paired, as you can see by the little cross next to the Bluetooth or the little X icon. So right now I'm not paired, and if we go on our phone now and press connect to gimbal, it's going to look for a device, and there, as you can see, it immediately found it. So I'm going to tap on it, press pair, accept any pairing requests, and now it's going to be paired. So as you can see, I can do, for example, the remote control and do like a joystick control, and as you can see, that works. Now I can control the gimbal just like that and do pretty much other stuff with it. So now it's paired, and you can even use the camera. You can do pretty much anything. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.